struggling with dark spots, uneven skin tone, or dull skin, you're not alone. If I had to start my skincare journey again, the Samira Toning set would be my go-to. But here's the thing, if you're using it the wrong way, you might not see results. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how to use this set the right way for smooth, flawless, glowing skin. Plus, I'll share my personal before and after results. Always start with Samira Exfoliating Soap. This cleans your skin, removes dirt, oil, and dead skin cells, and preps your skin for toning. Use lukewarm water and let the soap sit for a minute before rinsing for better exfoliation. Expected results: week 1, brighter, fresher skin. Week 2, smoother skin with less dead skin buildup. After cleansing, apply the Samira Toning Milk evenly to your skin. Use gentle upward strokes and don't over-apply. Does Samira Lotion contain hydroquinone? No. Samira Toning Milk does not contain hydroquinone. It's formulated to brighten and even out skin tone safely. Expected results: week 2 to 3, skin starts looking more even and smooth. Week 4 to 6, noticeable tone improvement and brighter skin. Step 3, boost with Samira Serum. For faster results, add the Samira Serum after applying the toning milk. This serum boosts skin brightening and evens out stubborn areas. Expected results: week 1 to 2, skin feels softer and absorbs products better. Week 3 to 4, more radiant and even complexion. For areas like knees, elbows, scars, and hyperpigmentation, apply the Samira Dark Spot Corrector. Use only a small amount and be consistent. Expected results: week 2 to 4, dark spots start to fade. Week 5 to 6, more even, blended skin tone. Step 5, lock it in with Samira Cream. Now, before we move to the final step, if you're loving this routine so far, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more beauty tips. I drop the best skincare routines to keep your glow on point, and you don't want to miss them. The Samira Cream is the finishing touch. It locks in moisture, making sure your skin stays hydrated and glowing. Apply it at night for best absorption. Expected results: week 1, skin feels softer and plumper. Week 3 to 5, more even skin tone with a natural glow. Step 6, sun protection is a must. If you don't use SPF 50 plus sunscreen, all your effort is wasted. Your skin will be more sensitive to the sun, so don't skip this step. Bonus tips for faster results: 1. Stay consistent. Use the set daily for the best results. 2. Hydrate. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin fresh and glowing. 3. Moisturize. If your skin feels dry, use a light moisturizer alongside the Samira set. 4. Healthy diet. Eat more fruits and veggies to boost skin healing. Final thoughts. That's it, baddies. If you follow these steps, your skin will thank you with that flawless glow. Let me know in the comments if you've used the Samira set before, or if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more beauty tips.